I'm Daisuke Morodo. Recently, my neighbor who lives above me has been making a lot of noise at night. So loud. What the hell is going on up there? Sounds like a bunch of dinosaurs walking. Maybe it's just a kid. But wait, I think she lives alone. I don't want to cause trouble, but I don't know. Maybe I should just tell her. I decided to wait a bit more. But nothing changed after 2 weeks. I couldn't take it anymore. I decided to go talk to her. Her name is Doi, I guess. Hello. I live downstairs, and...
Yes?
Why is she sweating? It's getting late, and... Well, could you please keep it down a bit? Please?
What? Oh, I'm so sorry. I had no idea. I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure. What are you doing anyways? Sounded pretty loud. Everything okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just using my jumping rope and... I'm sorry, I'm fat. I'm really sorry.
Huh?
I'm truly sorry. It won't happen again.
I don't care about how much you weigh, but jumping rope? Not sure you should be doing that indoors. Then she started crying. I didn't know what to do. She let me inside. So why are you exercising in your room?
Well, I got dumped and got fat, so... And my work uniform. It won't fit anymore, so... My skirt won't fit anymore! I wear a baggy sweater to hide it, but once it gets warm...
So, her skirt is unzipped during work? Why not just order a bigger skirt?
But... I got fat after I got dumped! If I do that, the skirt will remind me of my ex every time I wear it.
True. Sorry. What else are you doing? Other than jumping rope?
Stretching, aerobics, dance...
I see. Could you please stop using the jump rope indoors then? You can keep doing the other ones.
But the thing is, I don't think the other stuff is working. I barely lost weight. But the jump rope seems to be working, so I guess I gotta find some other way.
I guess it's not safe for you to do it outside either. It gets pretty dark around here, so...
I wanna walk, but I'm always working late, and... Like you said, I don't really feel safe walking around by myself at night.
I know. Want me to come with you?
Huh?
I'm actually a personal trainer at a gym nearby. Maybe I can give you advice and stuff. If you want, I'll walk with you.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm always stuck in the gym, so it'll be nice to get some fresh air.
Oh, thank you. That would be great. I'll repay you sometime.
Oh, no worries. So, we started walking together at night, 5 times a week. Keep your back straight, stick your chest out.
Okay.
2 weeks later, she started losing weight. How's the skirt?
It still won't fit, but I'm getting there.
2 weeks isn't enough, I guess. No worries. We still got time. 2 weeks later, she was starting to get in shape. How's the skirt?
Still won't fit, but I'm almost there.
Not sure what she looked like before, but her skirt must be really tight. No worries. You're doing good. It'll fit.
Sorry. I know it's been 4 weeks already.
No worries. You've lost so much weight. You're almost there. You got this. A month later, she was in great shape now. The skirt should fit soon. How's the skirt?
Just a little more.
What? Still? She lost so much weight over the last 2 months. How small is her skirt? Hey, can I take a look?
Huh?
I want to know which part of your body is causing the problem. Is it your belly or your thighs? Maybe we have to change the training menu.
Oh, it's fine, really. I'll just have to keep at it.
No, that's not enough. We gotta change the menu if we're not getting the results we want. Trust me, I'm a personal trainer. I won't let you down.
I'm sorry. The skirt fits.
Huh? But you just said...
It actually happened a month ago. My skirt. It fits.
Huh? But then, why?
I didn't want our training sessions to end. I was lying. I'm so sorry.
What? Wow, I wasn't expecting that. She was lying so she could spend more time with me.
I'm really sorry.
Oh, no. I'm flattered, actually.
Huh?
It's actually kind of cute. You lied so you could spend more time with me, right?
Oh, stop it.
I mean it. It's adorable. And you're in such good shape now. You look good.
Thank you.
But if the skirt fits, I guess we don't have to go walking anymore.
I guess.
But maybe I can take you out on a date during the day. Let's go celebrate. There's this restaurant I've always wanted to go to. What do you say?
Sure, of course.
All right then. A few days later, I took her out to lunch. Then, I asked her out. A few months later, we moved out of the apartment and got our own little place.
It's always nice to have someone to work out with, don't you think? Exercising regularly isn't easy, but when you got someone by your side, it makes it more enjoyable. What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you tomorrow. Bye!
Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications.